Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to play games on Snapchat. Playing games on Snapchat is fun. You can play games with your friends, or if you want, you can play it alone as well. Before jumping right in, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application and sign into your account. From your camera screen, go select a friend that you'd like to play Snapchat games with. To do so, go and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner and tap on My Friends under Friends tab. Select any friend you want to play the game with, and then, in order to play the game, simply tap on the rocket icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on the rocket icon, you'll be able to see all the games that are available on Snapchat. Select any game that you'd like and start playing. If you don't want to play it with any of your friends, go and simply start a chat to yourself. Now, simply tap on the rocket button at the bottom right and tap on any games that you would like to play. You can choose from the All, Games, and Minis category at the bottom of the screen. Select any game that you'd like, and once you do that, you'll be able to play the game. Tap on play and follow the instructions to learn how to play the particular game. Once you've finished playing your game, the game icon will be available in your chat screen so that you can easily play the game if you want to play it again by simply tapping on the game. That is how you can easily play games on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, we'd love it if you'd give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.